While they're illegal, they have no rights, they have no status, they have no expectations, and they're happy to be here. It's a win-win for America. If we give them green cards, soon they'll be just like us, overweight, unhappy, and too lazy to do menial tasks.
Hey!
Vote yes on Proposition 832.
You're so right.
She's here.
So, you ever been to college?
Hell yeah.
All the fun rides, buddy.
Back your ass on up and then get some of this here. Hey, you don't need date to do what you think is right. Get funked up right now.
Me and the Ohio Play's gonna tell you about a worm. He's the funkiest worm in the world. Okay, sing it, fellas.
There's a worm in the ground, yes it is.
That's right, that's right.
6 feet.
6 feet now.
He only comes around.
When he walks, he gets down. But when he comes out of his hole, he sounds something like this. Oh, that's funky, that's funky. Like 9 cans of shaving powder, that's funky.
You know about that happy farmer kid?
Come on with it again, fellas, come on with it.
What do you do for fun now?
Ladies in the band.
Boys get tired with
Check that out.
trouble in my mind. I got so much trouble in my mind. Look at here. There is air pollution, much confusion.
I'm his manager. Yeah. Gonna make $1 million. I get it all till he can't spend it. Don't stop now, honey. Get down. That's it. That's it. Don't fight the feeling. Don't fight it. Okay, that's enough. Get out of here. Here he goes. People, listen to this. This is really funny. Get out of here. Going back in his hole. It's the same way he came out.
Jamming ain't gonna stop, y'all.
Do we get paid for this?
Ain't nothing but a jam, y'all.
We do? Okay. All right.
Yo, let's go to Kool in the Gang. Hey, what you got to say? We're gonna swing with Kool in the...
Let's get out of here. CJ, I'll jack you a better core. Whatever you say, fool.